only. देन इसमें न्यूमेरिकल में ही है सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन एंड डिसऑर्डर्स रिलेटेड टू इट. देन स्ट्रक्चरल में आ जाते हैं डिलीशन, डुप्लीकेशन, ट्रांसलेशन, और ये इनके एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जो कि दीज आर लाइक सेक्रोसेंट. ये तो एग्जाम्पल्स कवर करने ही हैं. इफ़ यू हैव टाइम यू कैन कवर मोर एग्जाम्पल्स, बट फर्स्ट ट्राई टू कवर दीज. फर्स्ट ट्राई टू कवर द बेसिक्स, द बेयर मिनिमम. सो एज प्रॉमिस्ड कि थोड़ा ज्ञान भी दिया जाएगा इस चैनल में. तो ये है कि व्हेन जब भी हम कोई प्लान बनाते हैं, वे स्टार्टिंग अ सब्जेक्ट, वी टेंड टू गो वेरी डीप, बट यू डोंट हैव टू गो वेरी डीप. You have to at least first cover what the basic is. After you are done with the basics, then if you have time, then do the value addition. And also if you like abhi you have more time, then through your answer writing practice and the questions in your test series, do the reverse engineering learning. That will be helpful. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने बिल्कुल दिल से लगा लिया कि स्ट्रक्चरल एबरेशन में पूरा ही पढ़ के मानूंगी या मानूंगा, अब डिलीशन में जितने भी दुनिया के एग्जाम्पल आई हैव टू ऐड. इट वोंट वर्क, और एग्जामिनर इज नॉट इवन इंटरेस्टेड. यू आर नॉट हेयर टू स्पेशलाइज इन दिस सब्जेक्ट और स्पेशली in one field, because people are doing PhD in this. You are not here to do PhD, you are here to become an civil servant. So sorry, I just cut it, but yes, you are here to become a civil servant. And okay, moving on, after chromosomal aberrations is over, so we are over with 9.4 A, B, C. Now we'll be moving on to now 9.1 now. So this is important. Students directly started with 9.1. What we are doing here is that first we did 9.2, then we did some part of 9.1, then we did 9.4, and now we are moving on to now we are moving on to 9.1 again. So in 9.1 also, now not all the topics, pedigree analysis, eugenics, genetic counseling, twin study, co-twin method, foster method, adoptee method, familial method, immunogenetics, and biochemical genetics. The topic which I'm leaving right now in 9.1, you don't have to cover them here. I'll be telling you, they'll be coming at the end. So after moving on to 9.1, we'll be dealing with 1.4b. 1.4a would be covered in human evolution, when I'll be dealing with human evolution fossil part, which will be covered after along with primatology. So for right now you can avoid 1.4a, you have to be with 1.4b, evolution, theories of organic evolution and modern synthetic theory. Then in this we have to cover the theories, Lamarck, Darwin, so that is like pre-Darwin, Darwin and post-Darwin. Then modern synthetic में two things will be there, microevolution, macroevolution. Then we'll be moving, now we are moving on to 9.3. In 9.3 genetic recombination, genetic drift, founders effect. So guys, एक disclaimer है कि जो भी मैं अभी I'm speaking ना points, you mark in your PDF, because we are leaving some points of or some topics of specific units, and वो बाद में आएंगे. जैसे कि अभी 9.1 में I left these two topics, so I didn't mention it there. I'll be mentioning it here. तो आप इसको अपना उसी chronology में बनाइएगा syllabus. Next is Hardy-Weinberg, then genetic polymorphism, genetic load, evolutionary trends, convergent divergent evolution, and then 9.3 is over. Now we'll be moving on to unit 10, that is growth and development. मैंने अभी इसके subheads नहीं बनाए हैं, because when we'll be starting with this topic specifically, then I'll do it. अभी मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं लगी, क्योंकि इसका यूनिट 10 में जो इसके टॉपिक्स हैं कई सेग्रीगेटेड नहीं है, वन प्लेस है, एक साथ ही करना है पूरा. देन 9.4 का पार्ट डी. रिमेंबर हमने 9.4 का पार्ट ए बी सी पहले कवर किया था, तो अब हम कर रहे हैं 9.4 का पार्ट डी, एपिजेनेटिक्स, जीनोमिक इम्प्रिंटिंग एंड जीन मैपिंग. और 9.1 का इसी के साथ करेंगे डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी, आरडीटी इज रिकॉम्बिनेंट डीएनए टेक्नोलॉजी एंड डीएनए प्रोफाइलिंग. और इसके बाद अपन विल बी गोइंग विद 9.5 रेस एंड रेसिज्म. देन 9.6 एज, सेक्स, पॉपुलेशन वेरिएशंस एज जेनेटिक मार्कर्स. एंड देन yes, unit 12 applications of anthropology. here only I like to clarify कि once we are done with this, अभी I'll be giving you कि कितना date तक we'll be doing it. We'll be doing, after this we'll be starting 9.7, 9.8. 7 is ecological anthropology, and 9.8 is epidemiological anthropology. And after 9.8 we'll be doing, I think that's unit 5.1 if I'm not wrong, primatology. And after this, unit 6.1 will be doing human evolution, the fossils part. And with this we will call an end to physical anthropology. और इसमें I think so tomorrow, I'm just telling you what video we are going to start tomorrow. I'll be covering this unit 9.2, Mendelian inheritance. So this part, when I'll be covering, I'm just telling you can have a brief reading from NCERT class 12th. A basic understanding would be very helpful, because then you'll be able to easily connect. So videos are not going to be long. I'll be uploading a 10-minute, max to max a 15-minute video. There are going to be key points. I will be talking about it, but I won't be able to provide notes right now, because I have certain other commitments as well right now. So you guys, whatever I'm saying, you just try to jot it down there and then, or you might be having your own notes, तो उसमें आप mark कर लीजिए एटलीस्ट जो मैं बोल रही हूँ, that is like the important thing वो. And we'll also be discussing PYQs then and there. Okay guys, so I hope आप you had a good time और ये वीडियो आपके लिए informative रही. Please like, share and subscribe. I never thought I'll be saying this.